Adding motion blur in Davinci Resolve can give your video a dynamic and a professional look. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through a quick guide to help you add motion blur in Davinci Resolve. So if you want to do that, the first thing you have to do is you have to open the effect library. So once you open the effect library, go to the edit page under effect library and open the effect library itself on the left side of the screen. After that, choose the motion blur in the open effects category and find the motion blur effect. Now drag and drop the motion blur effect on the clip in your timeline or that you want to apply it to. So that is to say, just drag drop the motion effect from the open effects category, drag and drop it to your clip in your timeline. So, and also you can apply it to where you want. After that, customize the effect. Click on the clip that you want to apply effect and go to the inspector panel on the right side, and here you can adjust the settings of the motion blur to fit your need, such as the motion type, the motion range, and then the motion blur strength. And all this will make you have access to the customization of the effect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.